Alright, so next let's have a look at the syllabus together, and we can go over the syllabus for you and to provide you with more information for this course. Generally, the information we cover in the course website, they are the same as the course syllabus. And the information here is also the same as information you can see from the Canvas system. If you go to the Canvas system, we have one page created for this course, right? And there will be some information provided in the Canvas system. The information there is actually the same as the syllabus. So we can see at the top side of the syllabus, we have the course website, which is this page we showed you before. And we also have a course schedule. It is a spreadsheet shared from Google Drive. We can check this schedule spreadsheet later. We have a course Zoom link. And for some cases, like the first week, we may have to attend a class via the Zoom link, right? So you can join the Zoom meeting for the class by clicking this link. And for some cases, we also post some videos at YouTube for some students if you have some time conflicts or some other reasons. And in the syllabus, we also show you with instructor information, my email address, my office hour via Zoom, and with office hour time. So I have office hours on Tuesday morning, just after class, during the 10:30 until 11:30 a.m. So if you have any questions for the course materials and the contents, so welcome to join in the meeting for the office hours. We have two TAs for this course. The first one is assigned by the department. He will be responsible for grading homework and exams, and also responsible for the QA. For you. If you have any questions. And we also have another volunteer TA. He will be responsible for the project instead. Because these two TAs, they are responsible for different kinds of tasks. So please make sure you ask the right TA for the questions. Now, if you have any question for the project, please go to the second TA's office hours to ask him. If you have any question for the homework exam as well as the general questions, please check out with the first TA instead. Then we have the course information. We have class on both Tuesday and Thursday morning. It's very early, I know that. So please make sure you can get up early and attend the class on time. We have the classroom at the Hockland Hall 168. So maybe after the first week, we may have to meet in person for the lectures. So for some special cases, we may also have a class either via the Zoom or via the YouTube instead. And I will let you know if we have any schedule changes. We have the schedule spreadsheet to show later, and it covers all the course information. If we click in this link, we can go to the course schedule spreadsheet. It is something like this. So in the schedule spreadsheet, we have several columns. The first column denoting the week. We only have about 10 weeks for this quarter, so the pace will be very fast. And we have 2 classes in each week, and we show the topics to be covered for each week in each class. And then this column denoting the textbooks to be read by you after class. Besides the textbooks, we also have some occasionally or extra reading assignments for you to read after class. So this column is for the readings for the Tuesday class, and this one is for the readings for the Thursday class. And we will have 2 exams for this course, 1 midterm and 1 final. Please make sure you have no time conflicts for the exam time. And we also have 2 assignments or homeworks for you, which will be due by the mid and the end of the quarter. The main theme for this course will be about the project. We have 1 quarter-long project for you with 5 stages. So via the project, I want to make sure you can use the deep learning models and knowledge we learn from lectures in some concrete and real-world application problems. Then we have the slides to be shared with the students. We have slides for Tuesday lectures and the Thursday lectures. And for some cases, we may also post some videos for the Tuesday and the Thursday class as well. So we will post a link here if we have any videos to be posted on YouTube. Okay, so this is a the Sketch Spreadsheet for this course. This spreadsheet will be very important. Generally, it covers all the information for the slides, homework, exams, and projects for you as well as readings. So please check this Sketch Spreadsheet for the access of all this information as well as documents. We will share the slides later by adding some links here, and we will post the videos here by adding some links here. Alright, so this is the Sketch Spreadsheet. For some important announcements will also be posted in the Sketch Spreadsheet as well. We will add some announcements here. If we have some significant changes for the course, we will also share the announcements with you via emails as well. Okay, so this is Sketch Spreadsheet. So please check this Sketch Spreadsheet after class by yourself to get familiar with the formats and all the information we will cover here. And then let's come to the course information. Let me enlarge this one. So, this course is actually designed for the undergraduate students as well as graduate students of the CS department, right? And we want to provide you with some basic information and knowledge about deep learning. So right now the recent Turing Award was given to the deep learning fields, but for what kinds of contributions? So deep learning right now is one of the hottest topic and technology with edge-cutting applications in various areas right now, and such as the search engines, e-commerce, self-driving cars, robotics, gaming, and the coming metaverse. If you know that Facebook has just changed the name from Facebook to Metaverse, right? And they want to create a VR world which is very similar to the real world, via some technology. I think deep learning will be playing a very important role in the creation of Metaverse. For this course, I also hope to introduce some basic information for students to understand what are the breakthroughs turned into the mathematical ideas into the reality, and what are the classic milestones that pioneered and shaped the landscape of the current deep learning field, and what are the state-of-the-art methods just coming out yesterday. Although deep learning has been widely used in our real-life products and services right now, but the researchers are still fascinated by the general deep learning issues, and we will introduce what the issues are, and we may also have some new challenges arise in our daily life in the junction of deep learning versus classic machine learning, deep learning versus machine learning, as well as general-purpose AI versus expert system, even human versus robots, and many more novel contexts. And we also want to introduce what are the current topics and the future agenda for deep learning for students to make sure you are well prepared for the future, no matter you want to be a researcher or you want to join the industry for your future career. And we want to build an essential foundation as a stepping milestone on deep learning research. So this course will expose the students to various deep learning concepts, methods, and applications. And we will broadly explore the classic as well as the more recent research works about deep learning for the students.